Today in this channel, let's have a look into Readymade Matrix MLM E-commerce Software Webpage demo. If you are new to this channel, we have previously uploaded the videos of binary MLM, investment and e-commerce demo. Please check onto that, and we have given the links in the description below. We are an MLM software development company in Chennai, Anna Nagar, running more than 16 years, successfully completed 800 plus projects. Now let's get into the video. What is Matrix MLM? Matrix MLM is a fixed MLM plan where you can have 2x3 matrix, 4x4 matrix and 5x4. In 5x4 matrix, you can recruit 5 persons and you can keep on adding the levels up to 4. And up to the 4th level only you can receive your level commissions, and it is all based on the width and depth. In Matrix MLM, you can have level bonus, matching bonus and sponsored bonus, and these are all the features of Matrix MLM. You can also have different versions of your fixed MLM plan based on your MLM business plan requirements, and this is how the Matrix MLM plan works. And if you want to contact on further details, you can contact the below number. Now let's get into the topic. And this is how the user point of view web page appears in the Matrix MLM e-commerce. And the designs and content given here are only sample, as this is a demo. You can always change these designs and contents in the admin panel, as you can customize this. And next you can see is features, and these are all the main features listed, like e-wallet, e-pin system, payment gateway, and these features can also be customized based on your MLM plan. Next is about us. In about us, we have given a 4-line description of your MLM plan, and you can always change these about us based on your MLM business and what kind of products do you offer for the users, and briefly about us in this tab. And you can always check on to the details in the next about us tab, which we will see further. In what we provide, you can see a set of samples, like 8 samples is listed here to show you what kind of products you offer. But you can always customize it, as we are an MLM software development company. We can list more than 1000 products in this MLM software, which is always upgraded in latest integrations. And next is client testimonials. In client testimonials, you can see the users' testimonials given by the satisfied customers by running your MLM plans. And these testimonials can be set in the home page in the admin panel, which we'll see in the further videos. And next is register and contact us. These contact us details keep us in the updated versions so that the users can contact you without any trouble. And next is our events. Our events is nothing but the events conducted within your MLM members. So these events shows all the past and the future events. So when a user comes into your webpage, he or she can always view these events, so it will create a trust for them that they are running events and they are active. And next, the contact details, like your phone number, your address and mail ID, and below is quick links. And next is about us tab. As I said earlier, in the home page you will have a short description, but in this about us tab you will have a detailed explanation of your MLM business and all about your MLM product plans and what kind of products do you offer for the users, and every listed details is seen in about us. And next is products, as it is an product MLM video, so all the products are listed in this tab. Like you can have your categories and subcategories. So these here are the categories listed. When you want to buy a particular product, as you click on the buy now tab, you will be directed to a page where you can see the product in details, like the product cost, stock in hand, the product video, and its description, reviews and features. And these are all the product details, and these details can be customized based on your MLM product plans. And below here you can see the recent products. And next is how it works. So how it works gives a detailed information about your MLM plans, like what sort of Matrix MLM plan do you run, and what are the bonus and commissions do you offer for the users, and all these details are listed in how it works tab. And next is news. In news you can see the MLM business news, is like what kind of news do you want to show it to your users, and all these are updated in news. And next is events. In events tab, as I said earlier, the events are the events conducted by the within the MLM members. The past events and future events are all listed here. It is edited in the admin panel. And next is FAQ. FAQ means the frequently asked questions. So a particular type of questions are frequently asked by the users to you as an admin. So as an admin, you can list the set of questions and answers in the admin panel, and you can show it to your users. They will be able to solve their queries. And next is contact us. In the contact us, you can see all the details about your company and your number and your Skype IDs. Like, keep updating the contact information to latest details so the users can contact you. And these are all the features of the user point of view web page demo. In the upcoming videos, we can see the sign up and sign in videos. So kindly keep following and subscribe our channel so that you can get notified on the next upcoming videos.